Are you looking for the best budget 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. An iCubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. An iCubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D printer configures a max printing speed of 250 mm per second, and 150 mm per second recommended print speed. Compared to products with an average printing speed of 50 mm per second, it uses more than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. The newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60-watt hot end. At the same time, it is equipped with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. Compatible with PLA, TPU, PETC, and other types of filaments. It can be used in a wider range of fields and industries to meet the creative needs of more scenarios. Apply the linear propulsion and input shaping functions in Marlin firmware to reduce spillage and print resonance, improve print quality and stability, and create smoother and clearer model details. Novices can also produce high-quality works for their first print. With the design of a unique module, their Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, and the Z-axis compensation value is supported to meet the needs of different users and usage scenarios, so as to start creation efficiently and easily, and also for novices. The use of a 2.4-inch LCD knob screen and the introduction of new design elements provide a more intuitive, simple, easy-to-navigate interface. The whole machine consists of 5 modules with a gantry frame structure design. Easy assembly and less maintenance for a fast printing experience. Number 2. An iCubic Cobra 2 Max 3D Printer. Max engraving speed up to 500 mm per second. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed has increased by 10 times. Larger model creation, time saving, and energy efficient. A 4.3-inch full-colored and sensitive LCD touchscreen with comprehensive functions and settings offers a better printing experience. Brand's new upgraded Levic 2.0 automatic leveling system in combination with tailored modular Realize Smart Offset to the Z-axis without manual adjustment. Z-offset can be customed to cater to various printing needs. One-click quick start for creative ideas, ensuring successful printing. By using direct extruder and a dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. This leads to smooth operation and few visible layer lines. Equipped with a high-performance dual-core Cortex-A7 1.2 GHz processor, it provides strong computing power for faster calculations, execution of commands, motor control, resulting in 10 times faster printing. The one-click to detect the resonance frequency of the X, Y-axis and adjusts the motion control intelligently to effectively eliminate resonance vertical lines and bracket lines, ensuring printing accuracy and stability. With flow control, intelligent compensation for attraction and refilling ensures evenly and fully printed layers, enhancing print quality and detail representation. With 420 x 425 mm large print size, capable of printing models with a volume of around 88 liters in one go. Large printing size provides efficient creative tools for manual creation, prototyping, and custom design. With the new iCubic app, you can connect remotely, upgrade firmware, and view the printer's status in real time. Get ready to own a smart mobile experience. Number 3. Creality New Ender 3v3 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 is an upgraded version of the Ender 3v3, say with improvements such as higher printing speed, wider filament compatibility, and a 4.3-inch color touch screen. The machine is equipped with a CR Touch auto leveling sensor and a strain gauge to make leveling and Z-offset calibration a breeze. The printer can print in a speed of 500 mm per second, meaning a benchy can be printed in about 15 minutes. The precise linear rail on the x-axis has a carriage slide containing ball bearings, making each move accurate, steady, and frictionless. 0.04 friction coefficient. Built out of stiff steel, it will stay as new even after long time use. 60 watts ceramic heater, able to fully melt filaments for high-speed printing. Bimetal, copper plus titanium alloys. Heat break, effectively preventing thermal creep. Copper nozzle, enabling 300 degrees Celsius printing. Each side of the print head has a model cooling fan. Together, they cool the freshly printed section rapidly and evenly. Now, your prints are always in good shape. Responsive touch UI with an intuitive tab bar, smart self-test for Z offset, auto leveling, and more with just one tap. Real-time model, preview, and vivid motion graphics of printing parameters. The fun goes beyond the limits of space with LAN printing and cloud printing. Every aspect of your 3D printer can be controlled from a PC, with Creality Print, or a phone, with Creality Cloud app, via Wi-Fi. With multiple printers online, you can manage them efficiently as a print farm. Ender 3v3 can handle Hyper-PLA, PETC, ABS, TPU95A and ASA filaments. Just pick the right one to print whatever daily item, part, or product you like. Ender 3v3 prints faster and better with Creality Hyper-PLA. Number 4. Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D Printer. Experience the power of the Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D Printer and its exceptional printing capabilities. With impressive precision, speed, and stability, this printer delivers professional-grade results. Achieve intricate details and smooth finishes, bringing your designs to life with astonishing accuracy. The Ender 5 Plus is engineered to meet the highest standards of performance, ensuring every print meets your expectations. Discover the freedom to create larger scale models and projects with the Ender 5 Plus's generous printing space of 350 by 350 by 400. This ultra-large format opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to bring your grandest ideas to reality. Whether it's architectural prototypes, artistic sculptures, or functional parts, the Ender 5 Plus provides the canvas for your imagination to flourish. The Ender 5 Plus is equipped with advanced features designed to enhance your printing experience and convenience. Self-leveling bed leveling ensures hassle-free setup, saving you time and effort. The resume printing function allows you to pick up where you left off in case of power outages or interruptions, eliminating wasted time and filament. The intuitive touchscreen control grants you easy access to all printer settings, simplifying the printing process. Crafted with high-quality components, the Ender 5 Plus guarantees superior print quality and durability. Its sturdy metal parts ensure stability during printing, minimizing vibrations and resulting in smoother prints. The heat-resistant glass platform provides excellent adhesion and heat distribution, ensuring optimal print bed conditions for consistent and reliable results. Trust in the Ender 5 Plus to deliver exceptional prints time after time. Number 5. Artillery Kit Sidewinder X2 3D Printer. The advanced Titan extruder solves most of the problems of filament clogging and uneven extrusion, and achieves high-precision printing. And the maximum printing speed of 150 mm per second realizes high-efficiency printing. Dual Z-axis synchronization system, dual Z-axis design, double screw drive, makes sure the X-axis always move parallel to the lattice glass build platform and improves the printing quality. Automatic leveling. The Artillery Sidewinder SWX2 3D printer adopts an intelligent auto bed leveling design. It can automatically adjust the hotbed before printing, and the hotbed can be heated to 110 degrees Celsius within 2 minutes. Resume printing function. The Sidewinder X2 has the function of detecting the exhaustion of filament or power failure, and continuing to print from the position where printing stopped last time after recovery. Ultra Silent Printing 32-bit silent motherboard and exclusive ultra quiet stepper driver effectively reduce working noise and achieve low decibel printing mode. Even when the machine works during night, it will not affect your sleep.